So, nomenclature. So, ada kita ethers, epoxides. Anyway, kung ano gula. Nomenclature. I think kutob kita aldehydes and ketones. I think ganun diya. Aldehydes and ketones. So, which is the next. For ethers and epoxides, tao na tira mga example. Usually, ether, mas priority of course, kaysa imo iba. So, kung nagawa si mo ether, um, it has to be an ether. Hindi mo family, hindi mo parent. Ito mas baga priority ako tingin nanay at parent. Nanay, tatay. So, for example, ini nga case, pwede mo lang aranan na nimo duha nga substituent tapos ani mo put na as ether. Ano? This one is an isopropyl. Diba na isopropyl ni man ito propyl nga adabot nga na connect. So that's an isopropyl adi methyl. So meaning isopropyl methyl ether. Adiliwati ya, this is a benzene or a phenyl. Phenyl and benzene ni mga may available for bonding, that's benzene. Adiliwat is ethyl. So that would be unang lapag-ngaran itong ethyl of course kaya imo naming maunaan by alphabet. So ethyl phenyl ether. Diretso. How about this one? Pwede liwatiya as substituent magiging oxy. So, ani mo, parang this methyl, so kung may CH3, that is a methoxy. So, this one is a methoxy also. So, amiton, tapos ang distansya doon ang methoxy is para, meaning ortho para meta, ortho meta para. So, ortho, basta magsapit, meta, basta may distansya ang isang carbon, para, basta duha nga carbon. Pagka dinidi, of course, mabalik mo na ito usa. So, this one is a P for para, dimethoxy, tapos ang parent, which is benzene. So, this is a benzene. Pero may niya, ether nga side, ito nga CH2O. Again, aning functional group for ether ha, aning oxygen, attached with an arrow, attached with an arrow. So, that is your ether na functional group. So, adiliwat, this one is a cyclohexene. Hexene. Tapos, adi is an isopropyl. So, pwede lang iya, butoxy. Excuse. Okay. This one is a butyl. Pero tertiary nga butyl, di rin nga isopropyl. This one is a butyl, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ani mo tertiary butyl, ada iya number 4, since ani mo parent is cyclohexene. So, mabalik kita ang rule ni mo cyclohexene. Cyclohexene di mo parent. Tapos, ma-attach it mo ini as a whole as 4-3 butoxy. So, ini ra gino sa ini. 4-3 butoxy. 4 tertiary butoxy. Tapos, 1 cyclo. Ini number 4 kasi ay mo cyclo. Hexene kay parent man ni mo cyclo. So, matikang kita din number 1 kay mahilaba man ti pakadi. So, number 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that is 4 butoxy cyclohexene. Okay? That is ethers. Next is epoxides. So, example. So, name the following ethers. So, this one is a 1, 2, 3. This is in isopropyl. I mean, propyl ini. This is an isopropyl. So, isopropyl. Isopropyl. Di-isopropyl ether. So, duha nga isopropyl. So, mabot ang kalan di-isopropyl. Tapos, pupuntahan mo board nga ether. Okay? Nami toxic akong attachment na iya. Okay? Next. Letter B. You have, parent name mo is adi. So, pwede mo adi tawagon nga parent, adi magiging 1, 2, 3. So, that is met at propoxy. So, that would be a propoxy. So, anyway, number 1 man din so that would be a propoxy cyclopentane. Propoxy cyclopentane. Okay? That is for your letter I have to cut kay may dataw ay kakantay ni